Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Selvi Indriani from Management Class 6C, Faculty of Economy Management Study Program, Widyagama Mahakam University Samarinda. Here I make a video about the economy of the United States of America in order to fulfill the assignment for an international business course with Lecturer Miss Dian Irma Aprianti SIPMM.
United States economy. The United States implement a new capitalist economy system supported by the availability of abundant natural resources, well-developed infrastructure, and high productivity. According to the International Monetary Fund, US GDP is 15.1 trillion US dollar, or about 22% of gross world product, and with a market exchange value of almost 90% of the total gross world product according to the balance of spending ability KKB. If calculated as a single country, this figure is the largest in the world. The national GDP of the United States is only 5% smaller the total GDP of the European Union, which has a population of 62% more. Among other countries, the United States ranked 9 years in the world by nominal GDP per capita and ranked 6 years by GDP per capita. The United States dollar is the reserve of the main currency in the world. The United States belongs to the post-industrial developed country, and the United States leads the way as the country with the largest economy in the world. According to data from the International Monetary Fund, the United States economy, according to the amount of gross domestic product (GDP), reached 20.9 trillion US dollar in 2021. With this figure, the GDP of the United States accounts for 25% of the world economy. United States economy growth in 2021 became the highest since 1984, driven by increased consumer activity, export, and private sector investment spending. The United States record economic growth of 6.9% in 2021. The economic advantage of the United States are due to the resources owned by the United States, namely the resource of skilled and qualified people and abundant natural resources. The United States is one of the developed countries in the world. The advancement of the United States economy is driven by the availability of abundant natural resources, well-developed infrastructure, and high productivity. Although the country belongs to a post-industrial country, the United States remains the largest producer in the world. Economic growth in the United States unexpectedly contracted in the first quarter of 2022 as the result of COVID-19 cases disrupted activity, but the decline in output paints a misleading picture of the economy amid sold domestic demand. The decline was the first since the pandemic resurged nearly 2 years ago, whereas the economy grew at a strong 6.9% each in the fourth quarter. Economists polled by Reuters have forecast the economy to grow at an average rate of 1.1%. The estimates range from contraction rate as low as 1.1% to growth speeds of 2.6%, US economic growth 6.4% in the first quarter of 2021. The United States began to show recovery in the first quarter of 2021. This can be seen from the economic growth report for the first quarter of 2021, with research 6.4%. The economic advantage of the United States are due to the resources owned by the United States, namely the resource of skilled and qualified people and abundant natural resources. The United States is one of the developed countries in the world. The advancement of the United States economy is driven by the availability of abundant natural resources, well-development infrastructure, and high productivity. Although the country belongs to a post-industrial country, the United States remains the largest producer in the world. The state of the economy of the United States: 1. Abundant natural resource support and high-quality human resource make this country one of the largest industrial countries in the world. 2. There are many job opportunities that can increase the income of the population. 3. The system of capitalism creates economic inequality between its citizens. Enough video talk from me, less and more please. Sorry. See you and thank you. Wassalamualaikum.